When it comes to baby care, there's almost nothing a mom can do that a dad can't do just as well, given the chance. Paternal leave gives dads that chance to nurture their newborns as nature intended, but just as importantly, to nurture their partners as they recover from pregnancy and childbirth. If it's financially feasible, your partner should take as much leave as he is entitled to, or as your family can afford. Hopefully, he gets paid leave from his employer. It's not yet mandated in the US, though it definitely should be. When to take it? If he can swing the first 6 weeks after baby's arrival, that's ideal. Or 12 if he can get it. It'll give the three of you time to bond as a family, and with him taking on more of the heavy lifting, it'll give you more time to rest, at least as much as any new mom can rest. This is especially important if you end up having a C-section. He'll also be around to help spot and report any postpartum warning signs. If he's able to break his leave up in chunks, it might work best to take a big chunk up front and then take the rest when you return to your job, if that's in your plans. That will ease your mind as you make that potentially stressful transition back to work and away from your baby, but also give daddy and baby some precious one-on-one time. Team parent, as always, for the win.